Why does LangGraph use a graph structure? Before LangGraph, building agents was messy. You had a loop but no way to clearly define what happens when.
No branching.
No going back. No human checkpoints. A graph fixes all of this. A graph has two things: nodes and edges. In LangGraph, a node is a step in your agent's workflow. It could be an LLM call, a tool call, a data transformation. Each node is just a Python function. An edge is the connection between nodes. It defines what happens next. A conditional edge says if the LLM called a tool, go to the tool node. If it didn't, go to the end. And there's one more concept: state. State is the data that flows between nodes. It's a dictionary that every node can read and update. Think of it as the agent's working memory for a single run. Here's why this matters for you as a fresher. In a graph, you can see exactly what your agent is doing. You can add a human approval step. You can add retries. You can debug step by step. This is the core innovation of LangGraph over plain LangChain. Control flow is explicit, not hidden inside a black box loop. Next video, state. The most important concept in LangGraph.